gotta do it. Gotta try it out because I don't want to, regret 20 years down the road. Or like, man, I should have tried that out, right? And so that's kind of the regret minimization framework, right? Might as well give it a shot. Hopefully I can empower people and help people out. Things that I'm seeing, currently in my job, and there's people that can use some help, and putting some videos out that might be able to help a small group of people or even a large organization. I think pay it forward, right?
I gotta ask though, like, where did the inspiration come? So every single one of your videos, at least all the ones I've seen, you have like a little skit at the beginning of your intro. Like, I've never seen that in any other buddy's YouTube video. So like, what was your thought process there?
Yeah, I know that. You know what? And I'll tell you one thing: it's a learning experience. I'm sure you've already been through this numerous times because it takes a lot of work. Like, especially to create a video. And I realized that like it has to be entertaining, right? I wanted to make something